Hello and welcome to Free VBA Tips. Today we are going to understand how we can merge different Google Sheets into a single Google Sheet. So here we have three multiple samples as sample 1, 2, 3, and we are going to combine those all samples to a single file over here. So I don't need to delete it manually, but let me just delete it to show you that. I have to come here and click on this merge button, and it is going to prompt, though there is no data, but it prompts and clears the data. So now you can see in the status bar there are different files coming up. It is actually opening those files one by one and getting the data. So you will see the status as done, 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 and you will see the entire data over here in the data file. So now we will see that how we can build our automation using Google Script or on a Google Sheets to combine different Google Sheets into our single Google Sheet file. So let us do that and create the automation step by step. So let me just close this one and we come over here. So go to any folder where you want to build the automation, right click, doesn't work, okay, right click and create Google Sheet or YT combine data and click on or merge it, not merge, combine data. We are not merging the data actually. So we created the folder and it is taking so much of time. Okay, so now I come over here in my folder and I create a Google Sheet. Merge tool and then Google Sheet name. One thing you have to keep in mind, whatever Google Sheet name we are going to put over here, so we have a loop that is running, it will import each file, but we have to ensure that is a unique file. There should not be any duplicate files with the same name. Though we have created a folder over here, but when the script looks for the files is actually with the name, and if there is any file found with that name, that might import the wrong file. So always keep in mind whatever name you give over here for the import files, that is unique. Okay, so Google Sheet name and status, just color it up, and we create a button over here, insert and go to drawing, and we choose this one, shape and button, and create a button, merge files, and we come over here and center line, save and close. Okay, it is working great. After we do that, then we are going to record a dummy macro. So we go here and click on record macro and just save that macro to a merge sheets. So it should be exactly same, MERGESHEETS, same format. Okay, this is small letters and then this we have a cap over here. If you make a mistake over here, I'll tell you how you can fix that also. So we do that and then click on edit script. If you don't get this prompt, then also you can go to script editor and choose from here, but right now I'll choose from edit script from here. Now I will give you a set of code that you just need to copy paste. So Control A, Control C, and here is the code, you have to paste it. We will quickly go through the code how it is working. So we have actually assigned two different names over here. So let me just rename this one to main file, and we create one more file as data where our data will come, main and data. So there are different names given for the main and data. We clear this status whenever there is data over here, And then we have data file. If there is any data found in the data file, we also clear that, so that there is no clubbing of data or incorrect data. So we clear the sheet every time. We get a prompt over here, here, that you are about to clear the data. And if there is a test 0 column over here, then we put value as 1, otherwise it will throw an error. Then we have a loop running over here, which is going to open the file, this file. So sample1, sample2 and sample3, and we also write sample4 just to check if there is any error. It is going to open each file from the A, and after we open the file, then what we are doing, we are going to find the source, last row, last column, and then we are going to copy the data, the sheet, to this file, like the sheets you saw. And then we copy from here to here, because I did not find any method from where I can just directly copy paste. There might be one, so you can tell me in comments. And if that file is not found, then we will get a status as not found. And if I come over here, do you see this check file? This is a other function which will help me to get the sheet ID. So this function helps me get the sheet ID, which is unique. Okay, so let us start the automation, and I'm sure there will be an error that would come. So I want to show you that error so that you are also aware. Okay, so nothing is happening on clicking on this button. No issues. So just copy this name from here, copy this name, come here and assign script and paste name and click on OK. Why OK is not coming now? Did I make any mistake? Okay, yeah, I click on this one now. So it will ask for authorization. This code is a very clean code. There is nothing linking to other files, so you can just click on continue and authorize Google Drive, authorize the script to use Google Drive. I'm sure there will be more errors regarding permission. This is just one. Now also we should get something. Finished? Is it? I can't believe my eyes. But do I see data? There's no data. Is it running the right document? Okay, if nothing is working, then again you will get us authorization. So I'll tell you one thing, there is some issue with this. Come to your this file location where you have pasted the code, and go and click on view show manifest file. This is about the permissions, and then you copy the permissions, copy paste the permissions. So here I have given some permissions, you can watch, for authorization for drive and all. You can just save this file, just do Control S, come here and click on this one. We will give permission in one go. Now you choose your account. Okay, you'll get this is not verified. Yes, I know, but I completely trust the developer. Then there are some permissions. Okay, click on allow. You want to edit Google Drive files, see and all. Okay, allow. Now the script will run perfectly. Okay. Then you will also get an email that you have given permissions. Great. So this file is not found though, so it is working fine, and my data has come over here. This is something I wrote in the sample that has come here. So that keeps coming. So what we have done now, just to summarize that, first we have created this file and we have named it as main and data. Then we created a button. You don't need to assign a macro. You can just save it and then click on edit script. After that, you come over here and paste the code that I have given you. The code is actually going to loop through all these sample files, search those files. Here there is a loop going for loop, and then it is going to open each file and copy the sheet here, and then after the copying the sheet, it is going to copy the data to the data file. So before it pastes the data in the data file, it is going to find the last row and column so that there is no overlapping of data. And this function is just to check the file exists, and if it exists, then it will return the ID of the file, the sheet ID. Okay, and this is manifest file. This is related to the permissions. I have given all the permissions that are needed for this particular automation, and you can just paste it and save it and then run it. So thank you for watching. For similar kind of videos, you can subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or any issues, then you can ask me in comments. Take care.